Welcome to our C-Swap Power channel. In this video, I will explain in detail the wiring of the inverter for you, core functions, MPPT solar controller, pure sine wave inverter, utility charge, all in one. The inverter has 3 input options to choose. They are solar energy inputs, utility power input, battery power input. The battery must be connected. You can connect according to the actual situation. The product settings interface can be configured. Charging mode of battery. There are solar priority charging of solar energy and utility power. Only solar charging. You can also set priority power supply. 1 is solar energy. Prioritize supplying power to the load. If solar energy cannot effectively provide all connected loads, the utility power will simultaneously supply power to the load. Another approach is to prioritize solar energy to supply power to the load. If solar energy cannot effectively provide all connected loads, the battery will simultaneously supply power to the load. Please take a look at this. This is the utility power input. Connect AC input. In our utility power supply system, the surge protection device SPD have been installed. Prevent damage caused by transient voltage fluctuations in the power system. AC output. Connect the battery. Solar input. In the solar energy system, the lightning protection device has also been installed. Look at the AC input. The functions of a grounding wire include electric shock protection, electromagnetic interference EMI suppression, and lightning protection. The live wire L and neutral wire N must be correctly matched during connection. In cases such as insufficient solar power supply, provide utility power to equipment as a supplementary power source. The alternating AC output after inversion processing. Supply power to external AC loads such as household appliances, etc. Connect the battery. When solar energy is sufficient, store electrical energy. When solar energy is insufficient or there is no utility power, battery discharges to supply power to the load. Firmly connect the positive and negative electrodes. To avoid damaging the equipment due to reverse connection, PV input. Connect solar photovoltaic PV panels. Receive the direct current DC generated by the photovoltaic PV panels. Enable the electrical energy from the photovoltaic PV panels to be input into the inverter. It is a key interface for prioritizing solar energy supply. Using compatible photovoltaic cables and connecting them correctly. Ensure good electrical contact and pay attention to cable protection to prevent damage from affecting power generation efficiency. The above is the wiring operation of the hybrid inverter. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions about inverter settings or other questions about C-Swap Power products, please send me a message. We look forward to seeing you again.